Okay, here we have a brown Wolfman. The Wolfmen are based basically on like the 1930s style Wolfman. I didn't want a real big snout to make it look too much like a wolf. I wanted it to be more hybrid human wolf. It's approximately 38 inches tall. The head is completely carved out of wood. The hands are carved out of wood. The eyes are painted wood dowels that are in there. He can wear size 4T and 5T in clothes. The mouth works really well. He's got a big open mouth here. So you can see the hair goes all the way around and on the sides. If you ever had to make repairs, you just wig is stapled on, take the staples out, and you can get in. The back of the head is screwed on with two pieces, so if you ever have to get inside to fix anything. Hook the rubber band. You can see it's a ring lever. Works good with either hand, your thumb or your index finger, whichever you prefer. So we have mouth opens well. There's the eyes. We have the hair which goes all the way around it. So and on the body you can see we have hair coming out of the hands also. So if you're interested in this guy, contact me on my Facebook page and let me know. But anyway, he is finished and ready to go. So thanks for watching.